Hi everyone! Happy New Year and happy birthday to this channel, Art Germinate YouTube channel, for celebrating its 3rd year of existence. I just want to use this opportunity to thank every single person who have subscribed to the channel, who watches the videos and interact with me, and the people who provide me with constructive feedback. It really helps a lot. It really is wonderful to be part of this uplifting community. And I love to share videos with you that have educational art history content and that showcases other artists' work. I just love other artists. And also the videos of my own work. And thank you so much. It means so much to me. I know that this channel is diverse and that you guys enjoy that type of diversity. So thanks so much for that. I'm looking forward to the year ahead and everything that it promises. And I hope that you will also enjoy all the new content that's coming. I've recently become a new mom, so the little one is keeping me quite busy, and I probably won't post at the regular schedule that I always do. I'm taking a bit of a slower pace this year just to be able to keep everything in order and to be able to look after everybody that I need to. And yes, I don't never know how to end my videos. So I'm just going to wish you all the best for 2022. Cannot believe I'm saying that. Yes, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.